Welcome! If you're tired of getting notifications every time someone you follow posts their first story or photo on Instagram, you're not alone. These alerts can be distracting, especially if you follow a lot of people. Today, I'll show you how to turn off notifications for first posts and stories on Instagram with the latest steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look up to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. From here, a menu will slide out. Tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can control all sorts of options related to your account and how you interact with Instagram. Next, find and tap on Notifications. This is where you can manage all the different alerts Instagram sends you, from likes and comments to direct messages and, of course, those first post and story notifications. Now, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This section lets you customize notifications for everything related to posts and stories. Scroll down until you see the option labeled First Posts and Stories. This is the feature that sends you notifications when someone you follow uploads their very first post or story. To stop receiving these notifications, simply select Off. That's it. You've just turned off notifications for first posts and stories. From now on, you won't get those alerts popping up on your phone. Taking a few moments to adjust your notification settings can make your Instagram experience much more enjoyable and less cluttered. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to this menu and turn the notifications back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.